Hello, hello. Welcome in. Oh my god, Dirt Monster, thank you so much for the raid. That was so unexpected. No way. That's crazy. What's up, guys? Derp was U-botting. Facts. No. Welcome in, everyone. Did I ever change the title on Twitch? No, I didn't. Icons UI, thank you. We'll get started in just a sec. Yeah, for all the raiders that are unfamiliar with this game, it's a BattleBot like building game. It's based off the mobile game Cats. So you basically choose bodies, build bots with weapons and that kind of thing, and gadgets. It doesn't have any room for gadgets, but this, and then you'd battle against other bots. There are drivers as well. So, for instance, you can equip drivers, and each driver has like unique ability. So if I equip the clown and I use its ability, it attaches a balloon to my car. Pretty cool. Yeah, based off mobile game Cats, exactly. Yeah, but then there's a bunch of abilities, that kind of thing, a bunch of drivers. Summon them like so. Pretty cool system. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. We got, I think every driver that will be there on release. Also, release officially announced today to be on November 7th. Hey, tremendous. Hey, Metas. So many people on Twitch. Yeah, that's because I was watching Derp and he said, "Are you gonna stream?" Because he ended stream, and I said yes. So he just rated me. Yeah, so this has been coming out very soon. Really excited. We finished the shop also, working on this last stream. Happy with how that turned out. We got some goodies in here. We got codes as well that already work. I just copied the same system that I had in Tower Defense RNG. That system worked amazing. I'm actually thinking about open sourcing this, because it's stupid easy to add codes, and it globally updates. You don't need to like shut down servers or anything like that to add a new code, which is terrible. You can just like literally just say code service, add, and then whatever the code is, and then whatever the reward is. Yada, and then it'll globally update, and then yeah, pretty cool. All right, what code architecture did you use? I made a whole video on it actually. A whole video going up. Literally exactly how I set up my code. It's on my YouTube channel. What's on today's agenda? So we are going to be adding the name tags, so it'll show your name, and like basically I'm literally only doing this because VIP gets a special name tag. I'm probably just gonna yoink the a similar fashion. I took a screenshot to this. Your name, your level, and if you're VIP or not, basically. Do you have any successful projects? Yeah, I do Roblox full time. It's my job. I made Defenders Depot 1 and 2, Tower Defense RNG. I was the lead developer at a studio. I was the lead developer on the brand game for Jaws. But this is just a solo project. Oh, I added this too. I did this last night. So now, your bot will defend from you when you're offline, similar to like Clash of Clans. People can attack you. But kind of the question would be, how would you use your ability then? Because you're not like there when you're getting attacked. So I added this where you use your ability when your health is at whatever you want it to be, or use your ability, let's say 3 seconds into the battle. Then when you get attacked, you can like have some control over it. And then there's like the replays and all that too. This is a replay from yesterday when I was testing out a lot of this stuff. Hey Lua. How do you create balance in your games? Honestly, I mainly balance on feel, to be completely honest. Like, yeah. I'll have an idea of what I want it to feel like, and then I'll just play through and get a good idea of what things should feel like. Waiting for release. Me too. I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. Way too long, to be honest. How'd you advertise and stuff? By doing the old Roblox ads. Just made a couple crappy banners and had a bit of Robux, and that kind of spiraled everything. I should probably make an announcement on Discord. Does it cost a lot to get a game off the ground now? I mean, I think it's relative, but I think it's never been easier to get a game into algorithm. No, I don't think so. Tremendous. Okay. So for this name tag system, it should be pretty easy. Hey, Robo. It should be fairly easy. It really is just a billboard GUI with your name, your level. And it actually should be server controlled. Like, server will create it, because when your level changes, it's kind of tricky to like subscribe to that on the client, other players' data, which is actually something that I've been wanting to add to data service, like a listen thing, but then it's like, yeah. How do you even get your games to get this big? Like in terms of play count, or? Yeah. There'll be more more called tiers than just VIP. Honestly, just for me, it's just been making solid games, and when the stats are good, it gets pushed more. How's the map going? Row Builder's working on it. You missed DD too. How do you check the performance for mobile if you don't have a low-end device? Honestly, kind of tricky. Yeah, I did notice. It was intentional. That I want the whatever announcement to be the first thing that we'll see in the announcements. Abbreviations on gems. You know, I was thinking about that, and I don't know. I didn't think it mattered. Also, I don't know why Tony is like offset. Kind of weird. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna make a new service and just call this title service. Yeah, Spyro. That's funny. I remember that. Name tag. Thing is, this will add the in chat too. So I'm just gonna do. I like title service actually. Let's just keep it there. Alright, let's create a new service, create a new initializer. I don't think we actually need a networker. We may. Yeah, I saw that, Robo. I'm too lazy to set it up. Go. Okay. So we need to listen to when a player joins and when their level updates. So let's just say, do we care about anything else? Level, if they own VIP, what their role is in the group. That cat's name is Nico, but I have a different one that's Nyla. He's camera shy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Robo. I think I do need it for chat. Actually send like what their title is. Well, thing is, I think this is actually one of the few scenarios where I think just using attributes on the player is better. So I'm just gonna do this. Crashbot. About color and so on, I'm gonna have a utils here that will have title service utils. That'll be this, and then we'll have enums, and then inside of here we'll have. Actually, we'll just have this like titles. And then let's say VIP, and then we have some color and whatever, so that it'll just be inside of this table, but it'll just be based off of whatever the key is. most of them have the best monetization. I understand though. All of their game has like 321. No, they're not. Oh, what? Okay, they actually changed these a lot. Interesting. They completely changed that up. Wait, I actually have old pictures of it. Yes, I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah, this is what they used to be. They changed them so much. What? Figma in white mode. Okay, how do I change it to not be white mode? That's actually crazy. I wonder why they did that. That's weird. Let's just get their title. Game is gonna be released November 7th. 2026? No. 2025. November 7th, the official release date. Oh, I just... What? Do data service, and we... No, not another year. In, what, 2.5 weeks? 2 weeks and 2 days. Let's just space again, update title. Forward to it, me too. You're busy on release? Oh no. Title, that updates. And we also need to see if their Game Pass ownership changes of VIP. Crate of pink Red Bulls. I bought like a couple of the 4-packs, but I thought about getting a crate. Yeah. There's like a, I want to say like a 30-pack on Amazon that I was gonna get. What do you think about Roblox TypeScript? I personally have not used it, so I don't really have an opinion. But I've also never just written normal TypeScript, so I don't really think I'm the target audience for it. Which Robux you gonna spend on ads? Probably like 400 or 500K. I don't know. We'll see. So then we also need to see if their Game Pass ownership has changed. So this actually should be a feature in monetization service. Monetization server. Get pass ownership change for player product. Carlos is the GOAT. After we do this, we're gonna add some new drivers too. No abilities, just like the next clash. Get like all their models set up and you can name them and whatever. Whoever made Carlos make a Carlos title. Didn't Star make Carlos? Okay. That. So now we can just subscribe to this monetization service server, get pass ownership changed, player products dot VIP connect. Ugh. I need to. That mess up this though. Like I think I lose IntelliSense then. Yeah. So annoying. Deselect all elements. Oh, right here. Oh. I wish I would have known that a long time ago. It kind of messes up what I have going on. Well, actually, no, it doesn't. This needs to wait. Oh shit. Dude, what is happening? Oh. That's fine. No. The issue is that like I need to. It's like a weird quirk of the. If I go to, you'll see. We have this type, and I want these to all be type of that. Utils, that. But when I do this, it yells at me. So I need to cast it because I put the callback in later. So I would have to cast it to this, right? It will havoc. But the issue is when I cast it to this, I lose the indexes. Which is like really annoying. I don't want that. Because now when I go here and I type products, here I lose the dot. Because it just is like, oh, products is string. If we could do like keys of, is that a thing? Not in Lua, but cast it. But I would have to cast every single thing to it, which, like, I could do this and it would work. But how annoying is that? So cursed, yeah. It'll work though. It's just like so annoying. Okay, but now we'll get products dot, and then we have everything, and they're actually monetization products. Amazing. Okay, so then local owns VIP is make the callback optional. It should already be. Yeah. It's missing key because key is put in automatically. I guess I could do that and it wouldn't yell at me anymore. Still. But then that'll mess up. No, whatever. Pet the kitty. He left. How do I get the group rank? I actually do it in here. And this error, does it yield? It does yield. Can it error? Probably. No, she hasn't. How many lines of code is your game? It is 47,000. Yes, I am random user. No, 47,000 not including any packages. Including packages, it would be a lot more. Yeah, it's 126,000 including packages. Configs module. Pretty basic. It's just a couple random values. That's what I thought would. Does that actually work though, Robo? Okay. I wasn't sure if that would work or not, but it must. Go. Because player is really weird. Like this Robo, the builder that Robuilder keeps talking about. Robo is the coder that Robuilder works with. Need the game to release now. Official release is November 7th. Why is this being handled on the server? We don't have access to other players' levels on client. We don't have access to if they own VIP or not on client, like other people if they own or not. What we're gonna do is just set an attribute on the player of what their level and title is. And on Eric. And then we'll actually do the whatever. Well, honestly, I don't know. I feel like we could just create the billboard on the server also. Yeah, I honestly don't think that's bad at all. The one-time create. How many players you're aiming for? Tough question. I don't know. CCU, average, lifetime, all of them? Yes. CCU doesn't matter if you have whales. Facts. But if you take a look at the top earning, I mean, I was looking at this the other day and I was pretty shocked. I don't know if this will still be the case, but Tower Defense X is is what, top 15 games, top 16 earning on the entire platform, and they have 6K CCU. They earn more than a game with 100K CCU. Like, that's pretty amazing, is it not? Like, pretty insane. And Rivals with 90K, which is obviously amazing, earns more than a game with 450K. So CCU is definitely not everything. Certainly not everything. Made that game? Which game? Oh, you made all of them. Okay. Right. VIP. And then okay. Do this. Group ranks. What other BattleBot games exist on Roblox? Like this? None. There's nothing like this on Roblox. I need to look at the actual group. Roll. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely easier when it's your full-time job, though. To be fair. Like, I spent a lot of time doing this. Way more than most people. Make game design documents before making game. Very brief. Like, honestly, not really. Like, I have the very basics maybe even written down, but a lot of the times just like kind of in my head. In group ranks for they'll have titles. Like if you're a tester, you'll have a title. To teach you scripting. Passing the keys to the type. Yeah, I do know what you're talking about, Random. Where you would do, I guess that would technically be another option. Where you would do, but that's just so annoying. Like you'd have to do this, this or this or whatever, but then like you just have to end up rewriting everything. But yeah, make a separate function though. Bruh. Use type of. But the thing is, we only need the keys of it. I don't know. P call for the new type solver required a return value. Your hooks. It's for React. I just have a use game pass. Just true or false if they own it or not, and it use like React logic. I create every element in script. If there's nothing under StarterGui for me, I guess you can't really see that. What exists, but then as I change what I'm doing, more things populate and unpopulate, as you can see. It does get very long, yes. I have lots, and this is all UI under here, and there's so much, kind of a lot at times. Yeah, I use FirstCat to view it real time. Yeah, dude, React is awesome. I mean, really any declarative UI library I think is awesome. What color do I want? I'm happy with red, I think. Or I could just do like... It's the dev title? I don't know. Future proof. Hey, thanks, Stay Ross. I appreciate it. Yeah. I greatly appreciate it. There's really wasn't much out there. Ah. Okay. That should do it. And then VIP tester lover. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it is. Oh, good catch. Thank you. Yeah, it's based off the group ranks. Service. Oh, service. Yes, group ranks will have higher priorities than the VIP Game Pass. Correct. Okay, wait. This works, right? If the number is greater. Let's say best value. Oh, well, best. If that's greater than that, and requirement better than the current best. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Although testers do get free passes. No random user. I actually never used it. Tremendous probably should be a tester. Let me publish this stuff. I know I've been saying I need to publish whatever for a long time. I haven't published anything in a long time. How long do you think it'll be for more dev streams after release? I have no idea. How long has it been, Simple, since you started ads? And are you getting any home recs when you look at your acquisition stats? You watch other people's devlogs? I have, not for Roblox. So I followed one guy's devlogs a long time ago. My default project JSON looks insane because it is being auto-formatted by this tool that I made. I did not write this, by the way. Like all of this out, it's automatically being created by a thing called GenRoho tree. It's on my GitHub. 7 days ago. When did you start getting home recs? It's a lifesaver, yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I think I remember that. Yeah, I still need to add docs. It's like, I know I haven't been saying that for like months, but release date is out. Yes, sir. November 7th. Save the date. What do you have left to do? Create the couple clashes, like the NPC battles. Couple leaderboards, bug fixes, a couple like loose ends. It was nothing major anymore. Need ideas for characters. We're gonna be adding new characters this stream as soon as the name tag thing is done. They won't have abilities on release though. I've decided that we're just gonna add new abilities like as content updates. Okay. Level title ID. Need Billboard GUI. The Billboard GUI, couple text labels. And that's really it. Started getting over 100 home recs. is going to. So if you started getting home recs on the 18th, I would expect the 27 days after your first home rec is when you should see a significant jump, because it's tracking those players and it's going to look at the D7 retention and the D7 stats of all players, but especially the home rec ones. And then based off of those stats, it'll then broaden the spectrum a ton. By, let's say, a subset of those players really liked the game, they came back, their retention, their metrics were good. So it'll basically broaden the spectrum, find which players it likes, and then bring the home recs down a lot, but it'll be of players that actually enjoy the game, if that makes sense. So right now, this is obviously depends, but right now it's in the broadening phase, basically. Yeah. So I would expect a week from the first home rec you to see more results. But obviously it you know, depends if your game is fun. If it has good stats is obviously very important. Thoughts on building PCR. What is PCR? Average revenue per paying user. I know that one. Conversion rate. Assuming the same. ARPDO. I would favor games with higher. Yes. So conversion rate. So ideally you want to have them be balanced the best way possible. If you have a, let's just say, 90th percentile, 90th percentile average revenue per paying user, and then your conversion rate is 10%. We want to balance these out, because theoretically, the more balanced they are, in theory, you would gain more money. In theory. And like you said, the new... I think you're on the right track, though, or like you're totally correct in saying conversion rate could theoretically matter more now that engagement-based payouts are wrong, or don't exist anymore. They're based off of spenders. So theoretically, that does make conversion rate theoretically more important. So, I mean, maybe that's why, I don't know if you're here for this, why Arm Wrestle Simulator has their passes so cheap. It's just to get that that first conversion rate. And once, I mean, this is just factual. Once someone spent money once, they are so much more likely to spend again. So much more likely to spend again once they've spent once. So, I don't know. It could be meta to focus on conversion rate now. Is that why starter packs are so good? Well, that's a part of the reason why starter packs are so good. It's the monetization stream. I'll show you the shop. We got our starter pack. Got our pro builder pack. This refreshes weekly. Only buy this once a week. We have our VIP game pass. Also the meta that I've seen, I talked about this a bit. Passes are way less common these days. In terms of if we go to the top games, top earning games again. Then we look at all of them. Barely any passes these days. It's pretty insane actually, which is so different than it used to be. So different than it used to be. Blade Ball have passes? They have a couple. So right now the only pass is VIP. They have daily deals. You can only buy these once a day. This was a big thing in Tower Defense RNG. Yeah, exactly, Fiverr. This was a big thing in Tower Defense RNG. Each day, this restocks. You can only buy one each day. There's also a free one. This is based off of Clash Royale, actually. If I go here, here's where I listed out every single one of my products. Basically. Yeah. And it has like a notification dot on it too. So, I mean, obviously, the more they're at the shop, the better. Are you doing the bundle / offers? What about them? Our daily deal is global. No, each person has their own daily deal. It chooses when the deal resets in 38 minutes. Then we have specific crates, big crates, very big crates, potions, gems, bolts, PvP skip tickets, 3 out of 3. You can only buy 3 these day. PvP shields, codes. Is the basic free? Yes, this is free. You see the gacha? Yeah. Here's the summoning. This is what you spend gems on. Again, we have things purchasable here. Important. Someone there. Bang. Choose which banner you want. Auto fuse, auto sell. Let's see actual info about stuff too. 10. Wait, hide this. Thing you need to do before the map. Yeah, the map is actually being covered right now. We got Robuilder to do it actually. He's making the map for the game. Yeah, so personalized offers is actually something I really want to do. I had in my notes here, Clash Pack. Whenever you beat a new Clash, this would come out. But I think I'm gonna hold off for now. I do think personalized offers are very, very good. Very, I'm lacking on the word, but. Yeah. Gatekeep. Very effective, yeah. How do you use the models so clean? These are not viewports, no. When I summon here, this is in the real world, in whatever. If I zoom in all the way, it'll actually interact with my character in the world around it, but yeah, it's not using viewports. Same thing with, there's particle emitters behind it. These are particle emitters. And it's just basically bound to the camera. Sometimes the stats are just really slow to update. How do you do it without viewports? Basically, whenever the camera C-frame updates change, you move the model, whatever offset is. I'm gonna add offline progression. There already is. Okay. Yeah, the quality. I mean, that was the main reason, is that the quality would be so much worse. Dunking? What do you mean by dunking? Oh, that'd be a good idea for like even a character design, like a basketball player. Yeah, tremendous. I thought about doing that, like a ghost ability would be really cool. Like light influence. Regardless of the open design / analytics. Yeah, dude, people do gatekeep so hard on Roblox. It's actually insane. I don't know. I guess I'm just pretty comfortable talking about that kind of stuff. It'll be your display name, your title or whatever, and your level. Hi, Pietro. This. 2. Well, actually, yeah, it'll be 2. Yeah, no flies. I was talking with him at RDC. We've hung out like every year at RDC. I mean, he does like work with analytics company, so I get it. I'm sure he's maybe not even allowed to say some things. Just due to that. No, what if I started from the bottom? Wait. Just vertical alignment bottom? Yeah. I mean, I just think like how much better Roblox analytics have gotten over the last couple of years. Like I remember when we literally had daily income and number of players, and that was it. And I guess engagement-based payouts, but back then, or premium payouts, or whatever. But like, just a couple of years ago, we had 2 things, and that was it. Or I guess playtime too. 3 things. And now we have so much, it's insane. Yeah. Making the ads were pretty funny. Like making the old you know what I'm trying to say. Your old Roblox ads. Yeah, Robo, this should be that, right? Because it's sorting from the bottom up. Level at bottom, then name, title at top. I don't know, we'll see. And then title. What's your keyword? It's a custom made. The GMMK Pro silent switches, and I don't know. I honestly, I don't know much about keyboards, but I just picked out stuff that I liked. However, do you mean like, am I looking to buy games? Not really. Maybe in the future. The Discord server, no. No, I've not heard of it. Yeah, I don't really frequent any other or any Roblox servers except for the open source one, the OSS server, and quite a bit, and then the top engaging, the Roblox one. It was like the only two that I ever even interact with. I have two mice, names heard. One when I work is the MX Master, the Logitech one. And I like it, but it's terrible for gaming. So then I have a different one for when I game. And that one's wired. Why are we screaming at this? Oh. What do I call this? Like a module that UI display name with icon. Then I will. Oh. And I also need to change name display distance to be 0, right? That like the default doesn't show the thing, I think. And then we're all set, right? Surely everything just works on the first try, and it looks amazing. That. Oh. Oh, what the hell? AI's fault, not mine. Oh my goodness. Why does that not air? That should be airing. I did the same thing here. Dude, what? Why does that not air? display distance type. Okay. We have no errors, but also nothing happened. What the? The shorts? Right. Oh, you're right. I'm not parenting it. Big brain. Why is it so dark? Also, it's in the wrong order. So dark. So isn't that supposed to be white? Oh, because the default text color 3, that's actually insane. No, it's because the default text color 3 is like... That's so dumb. Okay. There we go. It should probably be to the root part though, not the head, now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, the order's messed up too. Because it's kind of weird that it like follows the head and the head goes like slanted. It actually doesn't look too bad. You get automatic size without using offset for the text. I'm not using automatic size here. What do you mean? I changed light. Oh. What would I do without you? By September. Oh, okay, and then we want to put it in the root part instead. Yeah, this should support the blue check mark too, but Roblox is dumb and the blue check mark just doesn't work in Studio. What did I want? In not head, in root. Does that look weird too? Now that just looks like too static, right? Should it be? I'm curious, does anyone know? What is the default functionality? Like what is... Enter another game, see what they do. Facts. Like, is it actually on the head or is it on their body or is it on the root? Okay, well, this kind of a bad example. Guess I can reset my character. I think theirs was on their head? Kind of hard to tell. R6 makes things a bit easier, I guess. I almost feel like it should be on the torso. Lower torso. Fiverr, what do you mean? No way to use automatic size with billboards? I'm not using automatic size, if that's what you're asking. Oh, in general. I mean, I don't know. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. But I guess I don't know if I've ever done that. Automatic size doesn't work properly with offset. I thought it only worked properly with offset. It doesn't work with scale. Oh, but that just crazy. Oh god. Okay, maybe we just stick at the head then. I don't know. Overall, I like the look of it though. Please do root. Okay. Root just seemed a little stiff, but if we must. I guess it's fun. Is this a good size? Maybe it should be slightly bigger. I feel like maybe just a tad bit bigger. I think that's a good size. Oh, I just started a test server with 0 players. Why does it not save that I had 2 last time? What? That's a new error. What? That's says everything's visible, but it's not. The auto size thing was all messed up. Okay, that's good to know, I guess. Let me fix that. Oh, we need to change the max distance, I think. Okay, so what happens when I buy VIP? We should be... my name tag change. It didn't change. Why? Why? Did I reset my character? Is it there? Nope. Oh, we're calling update title, but we're never calling load afterwards. Yeah. Yeah. Robo knows what's up. Oh, player one still doesn't have it, which they 100% should. Does my VIP pass purchase not work? I guess I never tested it. Oh wait, yeah, I guess it never says I own it now. Okay, wait. Maybe it works. My just pass logic doesn't work. Yeah, I already have icon and thumbnails. I made 3. We'll see how they do and pivot if needed. This was nil, and if it's nil, it should default to bingo. Like 95% sure that's the issue. Yeah, I can show the 3 that I've made, and you guys can judge. Hey, nice. Got the VIP tag. Very nice. Cool. And then we'll do what's it called? I want to make it set the maxed plus. Yeah, 2. Yeah, there are individual like icon A/B tests. Here are the ones that I drew up. This one. We'll see how these go. This one. And this one. What does everyone think? Only 3 to start out, yeah. I just threw all these together. But like, I don't know. Clear backgrounds, yeah. Why not more? I don't got infinite time. I definitely could order some from people, but dude, it's honestly so annoying having to order them. Maybe that's just me, just a me thing. Yeah, I mean, for Tower Defense RNG, I tried literally like 30. Was it annoying? I hate having to like talk to people and then send them assets, and then like they're like, okay, so what do you want me to do? And then I have to like describe it, and then I'm like, dude, I could have just made this in the time I'm spending talking to you on how it like it should be done. Exactly how to. I don't know. Maybe it's just a me thing, but no, for sure, Fiverr. Yeah, now I'm gonna do the this just needs the text bullshit. Like dude, this my least favorite service in the entire game, text chat service. Where's like the when they chatted? Message received? On incoming message? Is that it? I think that's it. Reference to. I feel like text chat service is so bad. It's gotta be the most convoluted thing. xsource.userid. Okay. I'm copying the Creator Hub example right now. This is terrible. Prefix text. This accepts rich text, right? I think. Prefix text. Fix. Pitch dot text. That. And then I want to apply the gradient to this. So seems like a job for ChatGPT. I would get each character and then get the color in the sequence. By gradient. Beautiful. Let's evaluate. That's not a thing. There is no evaluate. Value. Man. I've never trusted anything more in my life. Load. Load. Thank you. Oh, I did not mean to start that. Oh, hey, Robuilder. Sorry, I wasn't looking at chat. Oh. Okay, that's one thing we need to fix. No way that actually worked. What kind of source tree did you do to install React and Charm? I used Wally. Is there a planned release date? Yes, November 7th. Yeah, it has the gradient on that. Add FAQ, yeah, I should. I kind of wish it was vertical, but that's not going to be possible, so this is as good as we're going to have. How was it gradient? That's what I just did. It's just each letter is a different color. You can't apply like a gradient in the middle of a letter to each letter. Owner looks a little weird, but I bet the other ones would look fine. VIP looked cool. That's honestly all that matters. No, Zuref. It's different. The point of a module loader and the point of initializing things is different. Wait. Here I'm initializing services in a specific order. Yeah, if order didn't matter, you could simply find a way to just initialize each one of these. But the key thing is I'm not getting services through the module loader, because if you get them through a module loader, you lose all type checking capability, which is terrible. Like, I'm able to have all of my functions and everything here. But if you use a module loader, like let's just say loader something, and we have, I don't even know. I don't really know what people do, but loader, let's just say there's a get monetization service, and then like you wouldn't have any types here, if you know what I mean. Yeah, never more struggles with that. How do you initialize your UI? Pretty simple. So I have one init.luau here, and it just returns this function. This is the top of my UI tree, and inside client I simply just initialize UI here. Wait, what? How'd you do that? Robo sent me something where you can rotate gradients. How? Oh, you just can put it as a child? Okay, so I just did like the most complicated thing possible, basically. Interesting. You literally just create a gradient. I did not know they could accept a UI gradient. Just like parent it to whatever. That's kind of hilarious. Prefect text property. They made it last year to be possible? Huh. That's kind of crazy to me, but cool. Derive new message property. Derive new message property. What does that do? Oh, that's on chat window added. Wait, what? That's on chat window added. How does that work? Wouldn't that mean everyone has that? Or am I being dumb? Derive new mess. Dude, text chat servers is so bad. It's like the most convoluted thing. Like, wouldn't this just make everything inside of it look like that? Right? Or no? Go at it. I mean, I could just be wrong and it doesn't make any sense, but... we don't override them? Does this not just return a new? This is so dumb. I feel like text chat service is like specifically just horrible though. Properties that prefix text property. Okay. Wait, what? But then we... Properties that prefix text properties. Sure, I don't know why, but okay. Properties that prefix text. Is prefix. Properties dot text is. We shouldn't have to do anything with that. Properties that prefix text properties. Is that okay? Drive new message properties. And then we create a gradient. And we parent it to this new thing we just created. Because that makes a lot of sense. Okay. We lost our name. I guess we actually need to set properties dot x equals message dot prefix text like that. Nice. Okay, well, I mean, that does look cooler. I mean, true if ever, yeah. I mean, it looks a lot cooler. Oh, but we lose our... Dang it. Yeah, we lost the like blue check mark and the premium whatever. Yeah. I'll just do that, which should fix it. I feel like there's like a weird space there. Get rid of that. Looks weird. Yeah. Yeah, psyched. That's, you gotta get on that, dude. Roblox out of the premium. Yeah, they added it here, except when you use the functions to check if a player has the check mark, it doesn't work still in Studio. Which I think is pretty hilarious. Because my profile system should work fine with check marks, and this should work fine with check marks. But, and even this should work fine with check marks. Oh, you can't see. They added the check mark here in Studio. It used to not show it. But when you actually do the functions in Studio, it still doesn't work. Just lame. Let's make sure that clients that works. Will you add customized profile stuff? Like what? Banners? Oh, maybe. Why is his name? Oh, I know why. I think we're just early returning, right? Yeah. Anime Vanguards. I actually have used them. In my Figma, you'll see their UI all over the place. Because I think they're great references. I mean, it's very similar, Fiverr. Thanks, Builder. I'll check it out in a bit. I just think Anime Vanguards and Defenders both had... Well, I wouldn't say it's the look. I think it's the UX. I think the UX is very well done. And their earnings are insane. I wouldn't say like their actual like frames are anything special. Like this is honestly probably just default Roblox stuff. More so the UX. I need to do something here. So if Now that should work when they don't have any. Rotation. Oh, yeah. Dude, you are always on it. Yeah, I mean, Pet Sim obviously is insanely good too. I agree with you there. Player two, player two. Bruh. Wait, that should have worked. That should have worked. I wonder if this is a blank string, it just does the default. No, I've never even seen Rust and Fover. I don't even know what he looks like, to be honest. This is a bit weird to me. Echo. Yeah. I was gonna say, if this is just a blank string, does it just... Do I need to put a space in it? I'm sure it's just unbelievable. I think it's weird as hell too, trust me. But this is the way to get gradients in text. Did you know it went that high? Oh god. So it literally, dude, what? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a space before this one too, so that it doesn't look spaced. Is that just cursed or what? Because I don't know what else to do. It still looks off though. Yeah, ARPDAO is average revenue per daily active user, yeah. I guess... Wait, okay, what we could do is... If prefix equals this, then this, else that. I know that looks like so cursed, but trust. I think this will work. I think this will work. I think this will work. Until Roblox inevitably updates this and it breaks at some point. That'll be fun. My blocks for. Okay, I fixed it. The guy sent. Okay, yeah, that works. Cool. The other name tag looks like. I don't even know. I know what owner looks like. Here's the bubble chat height. Yeah, that's a good point. That's just a property of something, is it not? Bubble chat config. Player said offset. That by 1.5. Hello, StarterGui. Is it actually you? I don't know if you have a second channel or not. Yes, it is you. Okay, hi. Rare second channel appearance. No, I doubt it'll be a major release. All of my releases that I've done have been very, like, slow burns, if that makes sense. Oh. Well, actually, Roblox is bring it down just a little bit. Yes, November 7th is the release. Yeah, that's good enough for me. We can conclude the name tags chapter. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. We will see. I'd be very happy with that. I mean, I'd be happy with even 10K average. Release party. I think that would be a great average for this game. Okay. We are gonna make the next Clash. Clash. Oh, here's what I was talking about. The notification dot on the shop, and you have a free thing available. What are you talking about, Ace? Buy the whole shop. Okay, next clash. Let's change my level to level 15 and then give myself a bunch of loot. Might clear out my inventory because I kind of have a ton of things. Okay, let's set my data dot level to 15. Set data dot parts to this. More parts. I've been programming on Roblox longer than you've been alive. Do you want a personal brand like Kindle has? Yeah. Honestly. Why did I not actually get any of those? What? Did I forget to actually add them to my inventory? I think I did. That's pretty funny if that's the case. I never added it to my inventory. That's so funny. It's a good thing I just tested that. Yeah, all of the crates aren't actually adding anything to your loot. Okay. That should be it. Ever seriously consider personalized offers? Yeah. I mean, literally, I have it, like, written the Clash pack when you beat Clashes. Get that there. And then also, I always thought in Clash is like the main progression. That's not clear. But in another great game, by the way, and you guys can disagree and fight me on this, is Build an Island. I thought they did a great job with the personalized offers. Actually, a good game, unironically. And I thought what they did with the trying out this up here, genius. Genius. Try for free. Gives you just a taste of what it's like. Very smart. I guess I don't know. I haven't played it enough to know why it's declined. I think maybe it's just life cycle. I don't know. No, that is what I mean, Fiverr. But I meant to say, or I was saying this offer here is really smart too. But yeah, the personalized offers when you get to new places is compelling. And then also, I thought this thing that they did here where you get to try out something is compelling as well. You get that forever now? No, this is just 15, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I thought they did a great job with this game. Let's see if we actually get items. Yeah. What kind of bot should I go for? Oh, I also removed Scrapper. Why? 2 OP. It was actually just hard to balance. Like, it was actually just way too hard to balance. It was becoming a problem. I need, like, some more stuff, you know? No, just gonna... open that up real quick. Yes, slow. For most UIs. Some UIs, they're always mounted. Like the inventory, for example. Because the mount and unmount cost is so high. this. Do a hammer build. I have the most energy though. How do they accurately fit into the bot? What do you mean? The real answer is that they don't fit. Town car, yeah, wait, true. That's funny. Something like this. I think that's pretty good. Also, energy. Trying to make like a half decent bot that would be like where players would be in this like at this point basically. And then we could do... What? How are these all my gadgets? What are the odds of that? Oh, what? I thought I had one more energy. Rolling. I don't know. Let's just see how this goes. Might be pretty terrible. Ignore that I'm against really the opponents for a second. It'll catch up. Because I immediately sent my level to 15. You know what I want to try? I want to try putting this. They're completely custom, completely custom physics engine. The robot ability is so cool. like my bot's pretty trash. Like, look, I would be dead. I use my ability to auto aim. Same thing here. Has to be legendary. It's an epic ability. My thought process is that the mythic top tier ones the top tier ones, you can design your bots around them. The epics greatly enhance your bots. Yeah, the rewind ability on boss. Back in time, 2 seconds. I will say the robot ability is really good though. I feel like my damage is really low. It's so cool. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And honestly, it was not that hard. Let's say I'll open up, or we'll get some new testing spots open near the end of this stream. How about that? Oh. Because I've been meaning to publish the new changes for a long time. The test server doesn't even have drivers yet. Yeah, Ko, you for sure can. Tremendous, for sure, obviously. Fiverr, yeah, sure. That is. Game's looking good, thank you. I think we can probably just come up with the bots and then put them on the testing server, and if they're too easy then we can do something about it. But I don't really need to be the one that figures out if they're too easy or not right this second. Let's make the first clash, or the first NPC of this clash, which we need to come up with for the NPC. I guess we don't really need to. Okay. Amos to temp 1. What are you talking about, Fever? Oh. Thanks, Cat with Head. Appreciate it. Oh, rip, Fiverr. Alright, what are we thinking the first NPC of the third class should be? What kind of bot? Carlos. We already have Carlos. Which body should it be? I think I'm gonna do wave actually. Do wave. Not gonna have a driver. It will be tier 3. Both of these have. $5K. I feel like $5K. There's a triangle one, yeah. But it unlocks after this clash is beaten. To do this. Combine 3. The lance. Like there. And a hammer. Like there. And we're gonna have 3 wheels. Two. Royal High Dev stream. Are they actually working on the game? Clash clankers. I don't see why not, Fiverr. I really don't mind much when it comes to like leaks and that kind of thing, because the amount of people that actually see it is so few, and I don't think it ruins the surprise, but maybe that's just me. Let's see what that looks like. I don't think it'll search for YouTube. I mean, I guess I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. Hide figures is you. Oh, on the game. They went on stream. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Things can change. Move that wheel back just a little. Move the jumper all the way forward. Like 6, 2. Sends an alert. Yeah, what I used to do with Tower Defense RNG was have I would only ping Discord, but it would just be blanking. I would give out a code at the end of the stream that people could use. and people ate that up. Um, 35. Go the other way. $73.15. Yeah. Cool. And then how much damage do these do? Like 1K? Like 5K? Around 1K. Okay. How much do wheels have? $1K to $2K. Five, 9. Okay. Maybe its damage is a little low, but that's fine. Actually, okay, that's kind of good. It's a 99 method. What's that? I'm unfamiliar. Yes, I made Tower Defense RNG. Uh-oh. Oh, why? I see what you mean. I thought you were talking about balancing these bots. Okay, what I'm gonna do is okay, hold on. I need to like open up the latest published version. I forget what. It's been so long since I published. I don't know if I've reset the data or not. Because I am gonna reset the data. I was just gonna publish for testers. Is there an easy way to get the latest published version? Does anyone know? This is gonna take forever. No, just all you need to do is join the group. I'll get it set up in just a second. But if you could join, I guess if you could join the Discord, that would be much preferred, because then it's just a lot easier. What music is this? It's synthwave radio. Okay, how about this? I'm just gonna publish this right now, and then if Metas, your data did not reset, tell me. Yeah. We'll see if everything breaks or not. I play Clash. I used to all the time. I haven't in a long time. When I was in high school, I played it so much. And Metas, let me know if your data reset. I already told you, Cat with the Hood. It's synthwave radio. What was my deck? I was a log bait. It was a Goblin Barrel log bait. Still on old. Okay. Data didn't reset. Are you sure? What about now? I just shut down the server. Now it did? Okay, cool. Okay, I don't really want to lose my data, so I'm just gonna keep mine like this. Your keyboard switches? I don't know what they're called. They're silent switches though, which I know a lot of people don't like, but I don't know. I made this keyboard such a long time ago. Okay. Let's get people in the test server. Or in the test place. Talking about Tower Defense RNG Fiber? It was on, been on Today's Picks a couple times recently. Yeah, it was on Today's Picks recently. Yeah, Metas, if you could take care of them, that would be much appreciated, and I could just keep working on this Clash. If you could do that, I would appreciate it. Make tester, Fiverr, tremendous. There's probably other people that have been active in here. Honestly, anyone that would actually provide feedback in Discord. The can icon? Can icon. Clan icon? Clan icon. Okay. Yeah, icon, 1 sec. I'm just looking at your screenshots now, Rebuilder. Looks sick, dude. I really liking how it's looking. I'll send that, 1 sec. Where did... Yeah, so basically, for anyone that gets tester, overall feel of game, and if things are too hard, basically. And yeah, if you like it, I guess. Map is obviously incomplete. Oh, heads up, this is the summon NPC. I know it says bet, but this is how you summon. Go to this guy. Don't try and summon before you beat the first clash. I don't know what'll happen. It'll probably bug out. There's a very good chance it'll just bug out. Arenas in this? I mean, not necessarily arenas, but there's Clash, which is what I'm working on right now, which is beating like 5 NPCs, preset NPCs to go to the next like level, to unlock your next level. Otherwise, PvP, there's like a whole rank system, which is another thing I still need to do. No, you got full freedom for that, Builder. The caveman's bot? Yeah, you like that? Prip, go into the Discord and Metas will give it to you. Long old season. The seasons are pretty short. Should join it? Okay. love how they just got rid of continue. What? Where's continue? Oh, yes. All the way at the bottom of the page. Oh yeah, wait, why does mod look so cool? Also, this a bit too big, I'm noticing. No, see what I mean? The checkmark works in game. It's just a studio thing. Says locked. So fast. Yeah, well, I've done the onboarding like a bajillion times, so I can like speedrun it. Okay, I think we need to make the names bolded or something, because it's like hard to see. Yeah, it is locked. Okay. It might still let you do it. Yeah, pretty much. Doggy balancing, and then just like got some new testers in here. Yeah, tremendous. In the Discord server, hopefully Metas gave you the role. You lost to my bot. He did not give you the role. Don't forget to claim your free daily. You want your own title? Why is my sound muted? There's like some little scaling issues I'm noticing. Ko finally gets to experience the cell animation. Lovely. Does every point of interest have an icon? I mean, summoning does not, because summoning doesn't have an actual UI button. You keep the titles in the real game? Yes. It's tied to the group role. Got notifications for purchases? No. You mean like shop purchases? I've never seen that before. Oh, guys, try the code test. Try code test. See if it works. I guess I mean I don't think I've ever noticed that, to be honest. When someone buys like anything in the shop. Interesting. Oh, okay, good. It just doesn't let you summon. You haven't beat the clash. Probably because, yeah, it just won't let you. Join my clan. The Friends clan? Yeah, get in the Friends clan. Ironclad. Tremendous. If you just click on one of our profiles and then click on our plan or on our clan, there should be like a join button here. Spread it all over. That's funny. You don't actually need to spend money. That wasn't a real deal. Don't feel obligated to do that. Favorite film? Oh. I definitely did at one point. But I don't know if I could just name one off the top of my head anymore. Ooh, wait, I kind of have a good cannon build going here. This public testing. It's still closed testing. This. Metas, do you think you could give Lua a tester? Thank you. Just, Lua, you're... Sweet potato. I think that Matiz's the mod title looks the best. I'm kind of jealous. Oh yeah, give StarterGui Mr. 2. That actually, I didn't even know that if that was. I was just calling you Metas. You keep losing, Co. Why? Because you suck. Okay, if you think it's too hard or anything, actually do let me know though. Like unironically. Bugs and feedback in Discord, please. Yeah, I mean, it should be fairly easy right away. Oh, I might lose this one though. Try and level up. Oh, that's good. Here's your son. Yeah, I definitely need to make the names bold, because it's hard to tell, like, the names from the text. The forms feature. Oh, that's like the new whatever community stuff. Yo, I think this is the most people we've had in a game at once. Oh, on Discord. We tried that once, and I honestly didn't like it. Wasn't the biggest fan of the forms on Discord. I had it for like what's it called? Maybe Robo. Metas, do you think you could get just John in here? Ah. And oh, it's just changing out my bot. And please please send feedback. Even if you have nothing to say, just say I have no feedback in the Discord server. I need initial feedback, good or bad, on anything and everything. Co likes it. All because the cell animation, surely. Co is sitting there just doing this the whole time. Oh, you guys can't even see that. Sitting there doing this. POV, your Co. I think we're good for now. On I think we're gonna be good right now for testers, but maybe we'll open, like, each stream will allow new people to come in. I think for right now, we're just gonna keep it as is. Game will release November 7th. What's the server size? I'm undecided on what I'm actually gonna keep it at. But right now it's at 25, so you can have a lot. I have a new hat. See if I can beat the Clash. Definitely wait, StarterGui. your data will be reset. But I mean, theoretically, everything should work in the shop, but it will be reset. So don't spend anything. I want to add sprinting and double jumping too. Because I kind of like it when lobbies have that. Even though it's so pointless. Okay, Ko, it does do something. It's just implemented really poorly. It allows you to join your it allows people to join your clan if your clan is private, but it doesn't like send them a notification. 1v1 you cribbed? Okay. I definitely beat you. Oh wait, hey, try requesting. I'm gonna, someone in the friends clan donate me cannons. Just go to my profile menus. New donation. That's kind of weird that there's two there. Approve onboarding. What about onboarding? Actually, just send in Discord, preferably. It's gonna be hard to have like a back and forth. Can't promote or kick him. Uh-oh. Send it in the ClashBots channel. Parts can have like certain things, like for example, this disc gives 30% damage bonus to hammer. So it's like typically best to have things that like mesh well together, if that makes sense. Yeah, I do know that, Lua and Co. Yeah. You'll probably just have to rejoin. Farming Elo right now. Okay. I think I'm probably going to end the stream here, actually. Will abilities be unreleased? Yes. Spots usabilities. Well, you gotta beat them. But please, whoever has testing, give any semblance of feedback, even if you have nothing to say. Say, I have nothing to say. But, yes. Let me know if you hate it, if you love it, or in between, and why. If it's too hard, if it's too easy, yada yada yada, you know. You gotta say the game's peak. Good. Strike, your profile is still bugged. Okay. We'll have to fix that. That's funny. It's so funny, it's only you. Your profile's been bugged literally forever. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Put feedback in the Discord Crashbots channel. Alright. Goodbye everyone.